Hello, this is LEGO Freestyle, and today I'm going to be showing you my four-wheel drive LEGO Technic Mock. It has pretty good suspension, and at the back here is the battery pack, and there's 3 motors. 2 over here for powering these 2 wheels, and 1 powering these 2 wheels. And you can't see it inside here, but there's one of those motors that turn the wheels. There's a rod going through here to an axle here, and it has a spiky gear thing here, and then it worked there. And now I'm gonna be showing you how good the suspension is going down some stairs and on some grass.